you'll go to the yellow one. Then the yellow one, you go to the White House. Then the Tavern, you also go to the White House. So once you're hit, defenders just fall back one building. All right, makes sense? Good. And then the blue house right there, the one window right here's got a shutter on the second story. There's actually a little basement side there. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god. Hey Airsofters, and once again, welcome back to Big Like Tactical. In this game, we are playing Attack and Defend the Village. Attackers start all the way out in the back of the trenches, while the defenders begin camped out in the barn and blue house. As the defenders are eliminated, they retreat back one building until they ultimately meet their demise in the White House. I volunteered to be a defender with my Crytek SPR Mark II, which will prove to be extremely helpful as most engagements in this game are from afar. I'll be starting out in the barn, so I can get first blood. So let's get right into the action.
Prepare to fight. Fight.
Are they all the way up here? Probably stay. Watch our left. They can shoot us through that window. I think you go to blue. Hit! Damn it, coming out! Damn it, coming out! Come on. I got you. Defender coming up. Defender coming up. Don't shoot. Don't shoot. Alright, well, I got the stairway. You got the other side? Bang! Bang! Good shot. Bang! You want to call it? Did I get you or what? Well, we both said bang. Alright, yeah. Yeah, I'll call that. Damn it, walking. Damn it, walking. What? Oh, damn it. Nice. Oh, man.
Wait, you're an ally!
Wait, what?
Fuck!
Are you fucking serious? I'll still call it anyway.
I thought you were hit, or I thought you were an enemy that called under.
Oh. Hey! Alright yet. Dead man walking. You're a lucky motherfucker. Oh no.
Bro, it happened again.
Yeah, and I caught that. I think, is it recording?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck yes, I got it. That's another one. That's another highlight. My God.
I got that one.
Yeah.
Stop playing with the siren. The game is not over.
We got front floor. What are you shooting at? We're on the second floor.
Oh my God! If only there was radio. Somebody over here.
Even though we ended up losing the game, we still made quite a challenge for the attacking team. If it wasn't for that one teammate accidentally taking me out of the game, I probably could have prevented the attackers from advancing further into our territory to the point where they just gave up. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon.